This is Sain Muhammad with you. Um, a- as I said in my previous video, let me try to analyze the euro dollar 29th of September. Here you can see the live account. This is one of the account which we are managing. Yesterday I showed you the live account worth 260,000, but here the client has deposited around 10,000, 8,000, like 8,000 US dollars, and he got a bonus of 30 percentage, that is 2,400. So all over he have an equity of 10,400. So the client wants an aggressive style of trading. Like I said in my previous video, we trade according to the client's need, like whatever the client needs, like aggressive or conservative way. So this client have a plan to deposit more money, not like this 10,000 US dollars. So he given this 10,000 US dollar account to check how we work. So I did some trades. You can see here some trades in Euro USD, tax, gold, USD JPY, and I managed to make around $721 profit. And I have some open trades running. Here you can see one lot of Euro USD, and here two, one, the total three. That means it's not three lot. It's varies on what broker you use. Actually, it's 0.3 lots actually. That means one figure movement is $300 up or down. So this is the running loss right now, 953. I have a buy position, a long position in Euro USD at 1.1246. I took 2 days back. This is the Euro dollar chart. You can see, like I said in my previous video, I don't use these technical tools much. I just use some tools like you can see here some dots, like this is the pivot point, that is the daily pivot point. This is the resistance, first resistance, second one, and third one. And if you scroll down, you can see the supports, one, two, three. This is the last support. So this is the euro dollar hourly chart. Here you can see uh, it's a bit trading in this in a range that is from 1.1190 to 1.1240, that level, this range it's trading. So this is the pivot point, that is 1.1206. So what I advise is, as far as the currency is trading above the pivot point, can take a long position for the euro dollar, and the targeting some higher levels, that is the next resistance, it's around 1.1260. So I recommend the buyers to set some stop loss below this low, that is around 1.1188. That means you can manually cut your loss if it falls below 1188. Let me delete this line. So here let's have a look at the economic calendar for today. We had some data out from the Spain, that is the Spanish PMI, Spanish CPI, sorry. Actually, it was a bit good. The previous was minus zero point 0.1, and the actual is 0.3. Almost the news is mixed, but all over it's a very good news. And in next 29 minutes, 30 minutes, there is the unemployment change from the Germany. It's very important, and depends on these numbers, the euro USD will move. Actually, the forecast is minus 5k. The previous was minus 7k. So the forecast is showing good for the Euro USD to go up. So let's wait for that data. Let's go to the chart again. Here I will explain you what all tools I use to analyze. Here I told you these are the pivot points, support resistance I use. There is one indicator I added. It's not a custom indicator. I just added manually. In the next videos, I will give you a tutorial for the how to add indicators, how to add these tools, etc. Here you can see the three lines: one red line, one blue line, and one dark red line. So this is the 50-day EMA. That means the 50-day exponential moving average, and this is the 100-day exponential moving average. So basically I use this support, resistance, pivot, and this moving averages to trade. Um, Here you can see the exposure, how many positions I have, and how many lots I have. Okay, let's go to the daily chart of euro dollar. See, it's this dark red line is the 200-day exponential moving average, and it's around 1.118780, that level. So if you see yesterday's candle loss, it rejected from the 200-day moving average. That is the support. So as far as the euro dollar is trading above the 200-day moving average, then it's in the up. I advise to buy only because as far as there is no right comments from the Fed, probably euro dollar will check again the previous side, that is around 1.1359. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Still you can see this support 1.1180 level. 1 2 3 4 4 times it tested, 4 times it tested, but it failed to close below this support. So the next target probably will be 1.1160, 1.1190, that level. And if you see the economic calendar after this German data, later in the US session we have the GDP quarter 2. The forecast, the previous was 1.11% and the forecast is 1.3%, and that is pretty good. And if it comes above 1.11%, like 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, something like that, then there is some risk of the holding this long position of euro dollar. So I will take a look when the US opens, and I will try to close my position, long positions around 1.1160, that level. And I will wait for this data from the US, and will update you in the later in the US session. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this brief analysis of euro dollar. I will come with new videos later. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.